Hello guys, welcome to our mathematics channel. Today we'll be learning the times table between 1 and 3. And of course we also have an Hindi version for this, also Russian, Italian, and Spanish. You can go back to the channel to check that out. And this is going to be our first video, so I hope you enjoy. And what I have to say is we're going to be learning the 1, 2, and 3 times table. So a tip for this is really important in math to know your times table, but there's no really method for this. This is more of a memorizing game, so you just have to practice, and it's not that difficult for the 1, 2, and 3, but it might get a bit more harder. So we're going to do it only to 10, and let's go over it, and yeah. So we'll start with 1 times 1. Equals 1, because anything that times by 1 equals itself. So you can just copy 2 and then 3, because basically it's just the same. So it's 4, then you have 5 and 6, and there we go to 7 and 8, and then 9, and then finally you'll have 10. So that's about it, and that's our 1 times table to 10. So 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 2, 3 times, I just messed up, sorry. 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 1 is 4, 5 times 1 is 5, 6 times 1 is 6, 7 times 7 is 7 times 1 is 7, 8 times 1 is 8, 9 times 1 is 9, and 10 times 1 is 10. So that's the 1 times table, and now we can move it to the 2. So a trick for the 2 is just, let's say double the amount. So if you have 1, you will say 2, if you have 2, you'll say 4, if you have 3, you'll say 6. So that's another method for it, and yeah, so why don't we try that out? So what's the double amount of 1? That's 2, right? So we'll write 2 there. The double amount of 2 is 4, so we'll write 4. And 3 is 6. 8, 10. And also there's a pattern for this. As you can see, we're going up by 2 everything. So it's 2, the difference between 2 and 4 is 2. 4 and 6 is 2 again, so it's just skipping by 2, and over here it was skipping by 1. So then you've got 12, 14, 16, and then here you've got 18, and finally you've got 20. But you can also go on with this, like 22, 24 for 12, but this is just till 10. Okay, so that's our 2 times table, and I think we're ready to move on to the 3 times table, which is not that difficult. It just times it by 3. So instead of doubling it, you can just times it by 3. It's not that really hard. So again, 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9. Oh yeah, and you can also see the pattern again. It's going up by 3. So what's 9 plus 3, which is gonna be 12. 12 plus 3 equals 15, and 6 times 3 will go up by another 3, so it'll be 18. Then you've got 21, and finally you've got 24, and then you've got 27, and then finally 30. So you've got 27 and 30. Okay, so what you can't realize about this is that the times 10 is 1 up. So there's 10 here, 20 here, 30 here. So the 10 times table, which you're going to learn maybe next video, is not that hard. It's probably the easiest. Also the 5 times table. So guys, hope you guys can practice. For all the little kids, don't frustrate. This is not that hard. I hope you practice this, and I will see you next time. And remember, there's also a Hindi version, Russian, Spanish, and Italian. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.